Welcome to our Countertop Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison of two popular ice makers, the Aeitto ice maker, known for its quick bullet ice production, and the Typhur fast Nugget ice maker, which specializes in soft, chewable nugget ice. We'll break down their features, performance, and pricing to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The Aeitto ice maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is great for quick cooling but tends to melt faster. In contrast, the Typhur Fast Nugget Ice Maker excels in producing nugget ice, which is soft, chewable, and perfect for a variety of beverages. This key difference in ice type can significantly affect your drink experience. When it comes to production capacity, the Aeitto ice maker can produce up to 26 pounds of bullet ice in 24 hours, making it suitable for casual use. On the other hand, the Typhur can churn out an impressive 35 pounds of nugget ice in the same time frame, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. Both machines offer self-cleaning features, but they differ in sophistication. The Aeitto has a basic auto-clean function that requires a button press, while the Typhur boasts a one-touch deep cleaning system with a high-pressure pump, ensuring thorough sanitation and fresher ice. This can be a significant factor for users concerned about hygiene. In conclusion, both the Aeitto and Typhur ice makers have their strengths. The Aeitto is a fantastic budget-friendly option for those who need quick bullet ice, while the Typhur offers premium features and the delightful nugget ice experience. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.